guys, I hope you all enjoyed seeing these two hanging baskets coming together. It's actually been a while since I've had them hanging on the house. Earlier this spring, I did plant these containers up with plants that were meant to last through the fall because of the color scheme and how tough they were. However, I didn't have them hooked into my drip system, and I got lazy with watering when it got super hot, and so they perished. But I did show you guys the other day where I hooked these two containers up on drip. I refreshed the soil with some Osmocote, and I planted them up for fall. Right now they're looking a little bit haggard, but give them a few weeks and they'll definitely perk up and color up. In the center of each container I used one Toffee Twix Carex. It's a proven winner's annual that it's hardy in zone 7 to 10, and luckily I garden in a zone 7, so I'm hoping that these guys overwinter for me. More than likely when the temperatures really start to plummet, I'll pop these out of the container and plant them somewhere in the landscape to see if I can get them to overwinter. On either side, I've got an ornamental kale called Radnor red, and hopefully the veining of it gets a little bit more of that purpley red hue. On both sides in the front, I have two candy red trailing Snapdragons. I've got a couple of purple Violas. I did pop in a couple of orange Violas also. It actually seems like I forgot to pop them in this container, but I'll do that once I end the video. But over here I did pop in 3 clear orange Violas, and also I have about 4 of the clear purple Max Violas. So I think that this color scheme is classic fall. It's traditional fall. Now in our garden centers we're starting to see the cabbages and the kales. So this is the first container out of many that I'm going to be planting up for fall. So I hope that you started to, get your juices flowing for fall. Temperatures are finally starting to plummet. I can't wait for the mosquitoes to be gone. That's the last thing I want booted out of here because they are eating me alive. But I hope you guys got a little bit of inspiration from watching me put together this planter. I hope that it was inspirational to you to get back out in your gardens and start planting for fall. I'm gonna leave the names of all of these plants in the description box below, so make sure that you head down there and check it out. Thanks so much for watching the video, guys. Again, I hope you enjoyed seeing this come together, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and God bless, and as I always say, remember in all things, give thanks. See you in the next one, guys.